full day on the trip today, so much in keeping with previous traditions, we're actually going to take a cooking class. So that will involve heading down to a local fish market, picking out some ingredients, and then preparing it from there in the typical Balinese fashions.
Balinese people always do sauce, make it the mortar. This one, the oyster sauce.
Hanging out at the unique bar, which is indeed unique in and of itself, as you can see here. Quick stroll around. You've seen swim up bars before, but this is a bar that has a pool built into it. So we're kind of relaxing on our last day before we head back. 27 hours of flight time. We have a bit of time in the morning. We're hoping to get a bit more beach time in, but as you've probably been able to tell from this video, it is a different vibe than what we normally do, in the sense that less adventure. Being stationary has been a bigger adjustment than we would have thought it's been. It's been tough to kind of feel almost cooped up sometimes, so we've had to do our best to get out. Obviously, Melinda did some scuba diving, I did some surfing, we did some hiking, and we did a cooking class earlier today, so we've gotten a bit of flavor as much as we can, but we're ready for adventure again. A bit of relaxation was much in order for us this year, but it'll be good to get out of Dodge and rough it next time around as we do the old getting a camper van and going on our own agenda. So we appreciate you guys being here along with us, and we've got a bit more tomorrow morning to show you in the flight back. But thanks again for joining us, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and the like below.